Watch this video before allowing a payroll company to handle your employee benefits. Hi, I'm Jason Grange with New Benefits Insurance Solutions. I'm going to show you the top 5 complaints from businesses who allowed payroll to handle their benefits and how you are guaranteed to save money working with a broker instead. But first, like this video and be sure to subscribe for more insider insurance information that no one else will have the guts to tell you. Odds are your payroll company has hit you up for them to handle your employee insurance benefits. After hearing our clients express similar complaints from their experiences, we added AI research and compiled the top 5 complaint lists that you need to be aware of before making such a move. At the end, I'm going to definitively explain why payroll companies should stick to doing payroll and why you can't afford to have a payroll company handle your employee benefits. And I will show you a guaranteed way to save your company thousands every year by working with a broker instead. But be sure to stick around until the end to hear this great savings opportunity. Let's start with the 5 leading complaints. Number 1, ineffective and fractured customer service. This is by far the most frequently mentioned complaint. Now this includes lack of accountability. Businesses report being passed around to multiple departments, none of which take ownership of the problem. Unknowledgeable staff. Clients often feel that the service representative they speak with are not trained to handle complex benefits or insurance-related questions. But consider, if you are an experienced, seasoned insurance broker, are you going to take a job working for a call center for a payroll company? I don't think so. Poor response times. We're talking about long hold times and support tickets being closed without a resolution. Sales versus support disconnect. Many clients note that their dedicated sales representative was highly responsive until the contract was signed, after which they were moved to a general support pool that was far less responsive. Number 2, failure to deliver promised cost savings. A primary reason many small and mid-sized businesses switched to the payroll company for benefits was the promise of gaining access to large group health insurance plans at a lower cost. However, many clients reported the opposite experience. Clients referenced higher than expected premiums. Their premiums and renewal rates either did not decrease or in some cases increased significantly after joining their payroll company's plan. This is particularly with PEOs or professional employee organization models. Opaque billing. Clients report difficulty understanding their invoices, which bundle payroll, taxes, and various benefit fees, making it hard to audit costs and figure out what you are being charged for each service. Yeah, that's done on purpose. Number 3, clunky and complicated technology. While payroll companies promote a single integrated platform for payroll and benefits, many users find the technology difficult to navigate, especially for benefits administration. Specifically, they noted a poor user interface. The benefits module is described as archaic, clunky, and not user-friendly. Administrative errors. Clients report system errors leading to incorrect benefit deductions from employee paychecks, failure to process qualifying life events like a new baby, and issues with enrollment, which then require manual correction, and then that means hours spent dealing again with the poor customer service system. Number 4, critical administrative and filing errors. The most severe complaints involve costly errors that the payroll company services are supposed to prevent, such as incorrect tax filings. There are numerous reports of payroll companies failing to file or incorrectly filing payroll taxes and benefits-related reports, such as mandatory ACA reporting, leading to clients receiving penalty notices from the IRS and state agencies. I should add here, you are held liable for reporting errors, not your payroll company. Number 5. Lack of specialized insurance expertise. Many clients felt that the payroll company is fundamentally a payroll company that has bolted on benefit services rather than serve as a true insurance expert. Specifically, they lamented limited carrier options. Their brokerage arm often works with a limited set of carriers. This means insurance clients may not be getting access to the most competitive or suitable plans for their specific industry or needs. Look, you can't afford that. You can't afford in today's insurance market not to routinely shop all carriers for the best price on plans that meet your needs. Note that carriers increase rates at different times. At the same time, your current carrier may increase your rates 15%. Another carrier may only have a 5% increase. We've seen carriers increase 25% year over year, while another only went up 2%. Do you want to ignore that level of potential savings? Would you at least like to be made aware of all your options? That said, you can't just look at premiums either. You also have to consider if alternative carrier plans include your primary care doctor, specialists you might need access to, the hospitals the plan gives you access to, or if their formularies include medications your employees need. All of this takes a lot of research and time, but payroll companies are all about automation. They are not set up to invest that level of time in identifying how to meet your unique needs. Which takes us to our last bullet under complaint number 5, the one-size-fits-all approach. The service is often described as inflexible, especially for companies with complex needs, high-risk industries, or a desire for more customized plan designs. Okay, we talked about you paying too much for plans when comparable alternatives from other carriers are available for less money. But I also promised you a foolproof way to save your company thousands of dollars, and this is it. Your payroll company charges you thousands of dollars for access to their online software solutions. Meanwhile, New Benefits Insurance provides our clients those same software solutions for free. Let's be specific. Number 1, we provide, free of charge, an online benefits administration portal. This is the online tool your employees can use to enroll in benefits and request changes. However, it also serves as a company intranet where you can post announcements and newsletters, make available the company handbook, have employees request vacation days, and much more. And not only is our portal user-friendly, but our staff is readily available to work directly with you and your employees should you need any assistance. No long holds, no passing the buck to a different department, and we will work weekends and evenings. 2, a learning management system. These online courses take care of state-mandated sexual harassment training, violence in the workplace training, all kinds of OSHA compliance safety trainings, a library of 150 plus options. Number 3, ACA reporting tools to fulfill mandated annual reporting requirements. Number 4, COBRA notification system that can generate federal and state compliant notices at time of hire or termination. Number 5, a company handbook builder to ensure compliance with all current regulations and legislation, which are frequently in flux. All that and a lot more. In summary, your business invests a lot in offering health insurance to its employees. You want your employees to value that investment, and having a readily available and responsive benefits broker to help them enroll, understand their coverage, make changes, field questions about billing goes a long way to ensuring they have a sense of satisfaction with this expensive benefit you are offering them. But all of that is quickly undone with limited client support and frustration, which is far too common with payroll companies. Managing corporate financial resources is also critically important. You can't or shouldn't afford to pay tens of thousands more than you need to for health plans. And finally, why would you pay thousands to a payroll company for HR tools you can get for free, along with readily available, locally based client support to help you utilize these tools? In short, when it comes to employee insurance benefits, payroll companies are operating outside their core competency, only for you to pay more and get less. We would invite you to call New Benefits Insurance Solutions for a personalized and no obligation analysis on how we can save your company money. We are confident you will be glad you did. Now, would you like to know the real reason your insurance premiums keep going up? The stuff the mainstream media won't tell you? Click here for my next video. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe.